In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write code in Notion. If you are building documentation, sharing snippets with teammates, or keeping a personal library of examples, Notion's code blocks make it clean and readable. Have a page open, and let's walk through it together. Start on a new line in your page. Type a / followed by the word code. Then press enter. That instantly creates a code block. If you prefer clicking, hover in the left margin to reveal the plus button, select it and choose code from the menu. Either way, you'll get the same dedicated block styled for code. Look to the top left corner of the new block and click the language label. Pick the language that matches your snippet, like Python, JavaScript, or SQL. This choice turns on automatic syntax highlighting. So keywords, strings, and comments are colored in a way that's much easier to scan. If you are working with a different language or just want plain formatting, you can leave it as is, but choosing the right language generally improves readability a lot. Now place your cursor inside the block and type, or paste your code. Notion preserves whitespace and indentation, so it'll look the way you expect. You can paste multiple lines, include comments, and keep your style consistent with the rest of your project. Because the block uses a monospaced font, alignment is predictable, which is especially helpful for things like nested functions or structured data. To make longer lines easier to view, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the code block. In that menu, enable wrap code. With wrapping turned on, lines will fold to the next line instead of forcing you to scroll horizontally. This is great for reading on smaller screens and for sharing queries or functions that would otherwise run off the edge. When you are ready to reuse or share what you've written, use the copy button in the top right of the block. One click copies the entire snippet, so you don't have to drag your cursor or worry about missing a line. Paste it into your editor, a message, or another page, and you are good to go. That's all it takes. Create the block, choose the right language for highlighting. Add your code, turn on wrapping if you need it, and copy with a single click. With these basics, you can keep your technical notes polished and easy to share right inside Notion. Thanks for watching.